What's going on? Back with another video, and today I'm joined with Liz.
Hello.
And we'll be doing a lingerie shoot. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes. I'll be shooting with my Nikon Z7 II with the 85 and the 50 1.8 S lenses. So let's go. Now, when it comes to doing studio work, the 85 and the 50mm lens is something you will want to have. It is an essential lens. The focal distance that you get out of both are great. 85 for more close-ups, 50 if you're doing full body. Now, the reason why I don't go with a 24 or 35 or 24 to 70 in the studio is because the focal distance that you get with these lenses right here is perfect. It's really sharp, and when you're in the studio, it's not like you're at an event. It's not like you need something where you gotta make sure you get that right shot. You got time. So if you need to swap your lenses out, swap your lenses out. You got time. You want the sharpest image possible. And I know some people are probably disappointed in Nikon because they decided to go with a 1.8 instead of a 1.4 or 1.2 lens, but I can assure you, these lenses are spectacular. I don't even use that word. It's spectacular. It's awesome. It's amazing. All of that, like it's perfect. If you haven't used these S lenses and you're still using the FTZ adapter to adapt all your old lenses, I'm not saying throw your lenses away. Definitely not saying that, but you would definitely want to invest in the 85 and the 50. If you still have your 24 to 70 VR lens and you're adapting that, go ahead on and keep that for now. Keep that for now. Get these prom lenses because I have the 24 to 70 2.8 S lens, but that was like $2,500. You know what I mean? And for that price, you can get an 85, a 50, and even a 35 maybe. I'm not sure if you'll be able to get the 24. I'll look it up to see, but you can get 3 lenses for the price of that. So if you already use your 24 to 70 2.8 VR, keep using that for now, and then in the future, I would say upgrade. All right, so how's it going?
I seen unit parts.
All right, so I'm gonna have you step up. All right, cool. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Nice. Like that. This way, really focused. Okay. Just like that. That's perfect. And just keep that for me. Hold on, let me look. Let me just. All right, now slightly turn your, just like that. That's perfect. And then chin down a little bit. Yep, just like that. And then touch your head other way. Yep. Oh, that's nice. That's perfect. I like that actually. I really like that a lot. Yes. I like how you was looking that way. Look that way. Yeah. Yeah. Look just right there. Now keep it like that actually. 1 second. Keep it just like that. Oh, that's perfect. So if you like this video, go ahead on and leave me with a like. And if you part of that Nikon gang, listen, go ahead on and subscribe. Because it's a lot of people trying to downplay Nikon and make it seem like Nikon's dead, but it's a lot of us Nikon shooters out there, and we already know what it is. These new mirrorless cameras from Nikon can compete with any mirrorless camera out there. No matter how hard they try to tell you that they can't, no matter how hard they try to get you to switch to a different brand, Nikon is definitely doing this thing, and it has never been a better time to be a Nikon shooter than now.